Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the most insane machines on wheels. And today you're about to see why this truck motorhome crossover is blowing everyone's mind. The moment you walk in, you're greeted by a stunning living area that feels more like a luxury lounge than anything you'd expect inside a truck. Plush leather seating, panoramic windows, smart lighting that adapts to your mood, and a massive 4K smart TV with surround sound. This isn't just for travel. It's built for lifestyle entertainment and comfort at the highest level. Step further in and you'll find a full kitchen that would put many homes to shame. We're talking premium appliances, a modern refrigerator, oven, induction cooktop, and plenty of counter space finished with sleek materials. You can cook gourmet meals while parked at the side of a mountain, road, or deep in the desert. The bedroom is where the magic really happens. A king-size bed with memory foam, elegant mood lighting, and smart storage solutions that maximize space without sacrificing design. Waking up here feels like you're in a 5-star suite, but with the freedom to move wherever the road takes you. And then the bathroom. This isn't a cramped RV shower. It's a spa-inspired retreat with rainfall shower, LED mirrors, and a design that screams elegance. You'll forget you're inside a truck completely, but the luxury doesn't stop there. The Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is loaded with smart tech, voice-controlled systems, climate control, solar panels for off-grid living, and even advanced driver assistance to make long hauls feel effortless. It's not just transportation, it's a moving mansion with brains and beauty. This is more than just a motorhome. It's freedom, it's status, and it's the future of luxury travel on wheels. And when you realize the price tag can rival that of million-dollar homes, you start to understand why this 26 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is being called one of the greatest designs of our time. So what do you think? Would you trade a mansion for this rolling palace? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love exploring the future of automotive luxury, make sure to hit that subscribe button because here on Auto Plus, we've got even more insane machines coming your way.